In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide threads, posts, and notifications on Instagram. Instagram utilizes algorithms to suggest posts and accounts based on your interactions within the app. However, if you come across post suggestions in your feed that you don't like, you can manually hide them. Similarly, you can also hide notifications related to threads on Instagram, and here's how you can do it. 1. Hide threads posts in your feed. Open the Instagram app on your phone and navigate to your feed. Locate any thread post suggestion and tap on the three dots next to the post. Select Hide from the main menu that pop up. To hide threads notifications, head to the Notifications section in the Instagram app. Long press the threads notification and select the option to turn off notifications like this from the menu that appears. Repeat these steps as needed to ensure that Instagram stops showing you any posts or notifications from threads. By manually hiding threads, posts, and notifications on Instagram, you can curate your feed and notifications to better suit your preferences and interests. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.